This is why you need to try making naan bread with your kids. It's easy, fun, and oh so tasty. First, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or gas mark 7. Next, line your baking tray with some grease-proof paper. Now, let's sift together 250 g of strong flour and half a teaspoon of salt into a mixing bowl. Stir in a 7 g pack of fast-action dried yeast. Make a well in the middle of your flour mixture and add 150 milliliters of warm water, but not too hot. Mix it all up to form a soft dough. Sprinkle a little flour onto a clean work surface, place your dough on it and knead for 10 minutes. Divide your dough into 4 pieces and shape them into rolls. Put them on your baking tray, cover, and leave them in a warm place to rise for 30 minutes. Finally, bake for 10-15 minutes until they're golden brown. Top tip, try adding grated apple, cheese, dried fruit or chopped onion to your dough for extra flavor. Enjoy your homemade naan bread, little chefs.